Alright guys, I thought I'd do a quick video here to show you where we've gotten here with this broken wing. So I did a first, let's see if I can find it. There was a first iteration of this thing, and then I also did another one, and this one actually seems to work, because as you can see here, this one had holes that really did not match. Here they did not match properly. They should have been like here and like that. But now that I finally used that tool that I created recently to get measurements, you can see here it's almost perfect, and it will be perfect soon. But regardless of that, even though it is not perfect, it still kind of works. And let me see if I can actually do this quickly enough before the video runs out, but I think it could be done. If not, I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you how it works. But look at that. Thanks for watching, and see you.
Likey.